Andrew, you're up, man. Just talked to you on the phone there. You're going to do 1, 4, 5, or 6, 4, and 4, and 1. Top 2. 1 and 4. Make sure I got that right here, Andrew. I think you got 2. Yeah. 2013 Immaculate. Yep. Here we go, bud. 1 and 4. Mr. Do, I believe it is, right, Andrew? That's the fattest one I've ever had. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8 cards in there. I guess I threw an extra base or something. I don't know. Chase Utley. That one's numbered to 99. Four of 5. Manny Machado. The gold version numbered to 5. Aramis Ramirez. 31 of 99 dual jersey. Tommy Lasorda. He's the greatest. 46 of 99 jersey. Tommy Lasorda. 7 of 25. I think we pulled his earlier. Gil McDougald. That's your fat jersey card. Miguel, number to 99, Miguel Castro. 36 of 99. College card, number to 99, Tyler Nakin. Jersey autograph. And your acetate shadow box, Matt Adams. That one's numbered to 49. Some of these cards do have like little white chipping around the color, just so you know. Not horrible, but it is there. Number 4. We've yet to pull one of the cards that are non-baseball. I've not pulled one. 75 of 99, Nolan Ryan. Jordan Zimmerman to 99. 84 of 99. George Brett. That one's numbered 14 of 15 jersey. Michael Taylor. That one's 45 of 49 jumbo jersey. Puig jersey. 44 of 99. 3 of 49, Daniel Norris. Rookie card autograph. There you go. Kyle Seager. That one's 6 of 10, dual jersey patch autograph. There you go. And the last one, Addison Russell rookie patch autograph, 47 of 99. There you go. And that's it. I appreciate it, Andrew. We'll get it on the way tonight.